Hey guys, it's Super Ninja 96 here.
Guys,
Today
Daniel's run out.
we found a bird.
What's
Which is laying his bone.
Yeah, his name is Tuffy.
Which we named him.
We're really good owners. Please subscribe for this video because he's yeah, like, subscribe, comment. Please help. Please help. And
If you're an owner of this bird, and then subscribe this video if you're an
and
like
and comment.
1 like equals 1 chance of life.
My mom is going out to the neighbors.
And 1 dab equals 1.
No
chance of-
dabbing in this.
Well, guess what? Record me for a second. Yes, that I just did it. Sorry for the finger.
Guys,
Well, 1
guys,
dab
please
equals 1
help us.
chance
'Cause
of
I'm
life.
about to cry if this bird dies. And Super Ninja 96 found it. So then I thought of ideas. We made a nest which is here, but then we made an extra one. But now, with a pillow, whatever his channel is.
Dividity rules.
Dividity Rolls actually got
This box.
yeah, and actually made some holes, and now Henry,
It's Henry 17. It's not Henry.
he got emoji pillow.
Yep.
And he put it in, and I picked him up. Now we're actually really good owners. We were going to put
Really good
water.
people.
Yeah, we were going to put water in, but it's gonna get wet, so sorry.
We could put the box in.
But if Tuffy's gonna die,
No.
just like in the
Won't
fight,
die.
no,
don't put it on. Like some tiny hooks.
They're like question marks.
Okay, we're gonna have to end the video here. But if you're an owner of this bird, no, leave it. If you're an owner of this bird,
Here,
please subscribe.
I think we need more.
Yeah, I want to drink.
We need more water. Later to this.
Okay, let it drink. Let it drink.
Also, watch this video, okay? Because this is a sad video.
I'm gonna have to end the video here, but subscribe if you're
Please
the owner. Please.
subscribe and like, comment, and please do whatever we ask. Please help us. Yeah, with this
help
poor
other people
If
and
you
other
want our phone number, go to Farda Collins and search for posters. Put down for birds. Please save us lives and goodbye.
Yeah.